Ringmaster Ray, and I'm back at it again. We're going to be hitting the old park out here again, see if I can get some more silver today. And man, I have pulled a lot out of here. 25 plus silvers out of here. Over 100 wheat pennies, marbles, you name it. All kinds of amazing stuff. Let's see what we can get today, and I'll see you on our first find. It's going to be something really cool, guys. No idea what it is. Ring up like a penny. No, guys. Luck. Good luck coin. That is freaking awesome. Hopefully I get some good luck metal detecting. This makes it already good luck. That is amazing. Check that out. That is awesome. Alright, got us a weedy, guys. Got us another one here. We should be able to get a date on that one. It's getting really dark now. I have to get my headlamp out to continue hunting. Looks like a 52. That's sweet. Guys, this is ringing up pretty good. 92, 91. Could just be a piece of big old brass or copper, who knows, or it could be a big silver coin. Let's take a look together. Got a little ways there. Try to get under it. Let's take a look. Knife out. Still there. Can't tell yet. Have to go a little deeper. There we go. Now let's see what we got. Alright, there it is. Whatever it's going to be. It's not going to be silver, I don't think. It's going to be a big old chunk of trash. Yeah. For those toppers of the chain link fence. Man, that sounded good. Got us another weedy here. It's getting too dark to see what it is. We'll have to look at it when I get home, get it cleaned up. We'll take a look at it then. But weedy number 2 for the evening. Pretty sweet. Hey guys, Ringmaster Ray, and I'm back at the old air base. We're going to try to see if we can get some more silver today and more wheat pennies and see what else might pop up. So I've got a lot of searching to do. This old air base goes clear back before World War II. So hopefully we can find some good stuff out here today. All right, I'll see you on our first find. All right. 81, 82, 83. That is a good signal right there, guys. Could just be a memorial, or it could be a silver dime. This is right close to where I found quite a few marked dimes around here. So be a little gentle here. Get my pen pointer out. Get that out of the way. Just right in the wall there. Let's see if we can get this little puppy out and find out what it's going to be. Alright, it's showing us out. Oh, check that out. We got a little D buckle there. That is what's ringing up so loud. Little D buckle. Pretty sweet. Nice find. Alright, I got an incredible signal here. A3, A4. That is silver sound right there. Let's dig this up, try to do a live dig and see what we come up with. Yep, still there. Alright, let's see where we're at. This is sounding good. Yep, big old piece of copper. Well, at least it's copper. I'll go in my scrap bin. All right, bringing you in for the first real find. We got us a weedy. Let's see if we got a date here. Oh man, that's too dirty. Yeah, I'll have to clean that up, but we definitely have a wheat. Pretty sweet. I just thought this was gonna be a dime. I don't think it's gonna be just a dime. That is pretty cool. Nice little pendant there. Different. Awesome. For our next find, guys, there's a little ring here. Yep, little kid's ring there. That's still a ring now. That is awesome. Well, the wind quieted down a little bit, but I think we got our third ring at this little play place. Sure did. Another kid's ring. Ring number 3. Guys, is bringing up as a like a dime. But I like the color. Don't know what it is yet. That is going to be a ring for sure. What kind of ring? I don't know. Interesting though. It's coming up pretty goldy. I'll have to check and see if it's got any markings on it or what. When I get home, it could just be a junk ring. That makes ring number 4. We shall see. All right, got us a coin here that not used to seeing there. Malaysia. There's a nice foreign though. Nice. Finally give me a token. Pretty sweet. All right, guys, let's do a wrap up of this week's video. And I've been out there hunting a little bit. Didn't find anything super great. We got 1 wheat penny here. That's about it for this hunt. Still can't see it very well. I'll have to get that cleaned up a little bit. Got us a dog tag. Bunch of kids rings. And I'm about to show you what I do with those. No markings inside that, so I know it's just junk kids ring there. This one was kind of cool. A little skull ring. We did get the little D ring there, or D belt buckle. I ended up getting a Canada, I don't think I filmed it, 1983 cent. We did get 3 of these. I think I only filmed one of them, or showed one of them anyway. And pretty cool. These are 20 cent. And I'm trying to think of where they were from, Malaysia. So I ended up finding 3 of those from Malaysia, 3 foreigns, well, actual 4 foreigns with a Canada, if you call Canada foreign. Got this little doohickey here, not sure what it went to. Found a very nice little solo ensemble. Little medal there. Ring up really, really well. Got a few earrings here also. So none of these are all, you know, all these are just bling. So lots of bling. Hit one of the school playgrounds. That's where mostly all of this stuff came from. And a bunch of keys also. Over here is all of the trash. Lots and lots of trash this week for sure. They were good signals, but ended up just being trash. So I'm going to show you guys what I do with all of this stuff besides the coins. So I'm going to raise this up here a little bit. If I can get it adjusted a little bit, there we go. I'm gonna move some of this stuff out of the way. So what I do with these junk rings is I have my junk rings jar. And as you can see, I found a few rings in my time. So quite a few there. And so that's where they will go. Junk rings, junk chains, stuff like that. This one is a pretty nice little chain, but it was just junk too. Wasn't real. You can already see some of the rust on it, probably just silver plated. I have found some nice ones over the years, but yeah, all of these are just the junk rings that I have found over the years. Some really big bling. And so that's where these go when I find them. They all go into my junk jar here. So lots of rings that I've found, some really neat stuff, like that one. It's a pretty cool one. Copper ring. So they go into my ring jar. That's where all that stuff goes. I don't know why I have the chain in there. The chain doesn't go in there. Got to move it to a different jar. And I got rings flying everywhere. Let me get all these back in their spot. So that is the ring jar. The other thing I have here, I don't know how well you can see it, is the key jar. I had to upgrade my key jar because I had too many keys that I've found metal detecting over the years. This one I am not going to pour out, but we're going to dump these into there. And yeah, a lot of keys for sure. All right. So that's mainly what I do with everything, is I kind of just divide it up. I have a little jar for dog tags. Coins, yeah, definitely will be separated. A lot of this, I got a little bin here that goes to all of that stuff. All the little extra stuff I'm not sure what to do with yet. This will go into the dog tag bin. And then with the trash, I go through and I'll pull out all of the copper and brass, like big old pieces of copper like that, and I go and recycle all that. We'll actually cash it in, and then I can buy silver with that. But very cool stuff that I found. Did come across this old knife. It is toast and gone. But guys, that's about all the time I have. We're gonna head over to the next guy on the Premier train, and I will see you next week. Not sure if I'm gonna do a metal detecting video. We may do something different at that time, but I'll see you next time. Take care. All right, guys, got this token right here. Almost forgot all about that. The Swift token right here. Meats for Babies products from 1956. The token was made in Canada. It's about all I can find on it right now, but it is pretty cool looking. One of my favorite finds right there. I love old tokens. Very cool. All right, now we'll head over to the next guy. See you in a little bit.